We are at Paulton's Park in England, which is where Chris grew up. Hey Parker, what are we gonna do today?
The water.
The water! We're gonna go on the dino coaster. Are you excited? Yeah. So if you're under 1 meter, you get in for free here. However, Parker was like right at the line, so he's getting in for free. Woohoo! Oh, those are cool. There are all the different lands you could go to. We're gonna go on an owl scavenger hunt.
Find the first one when we go outside.
Which ones are we looking for, Parker? Look how cool. Tell me if you see an owl. There it is.
That one.
That's that one. Good job. Percy Owl, owl number 1. All right, we are here. Welcome to Tornado Springs on Route 83. Ready, Parker? You're gonna go in the cars? Al's Auto Academy. So cool. All right, here they go. Do, 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 do. Jakey, no crashing! Oh, you almost hit the wall. Careful, careful. Hello, drivers! Parker just told Jakey you look good. Hello down there! Hi! What a big boy. Oh, you're on the wrong side. They have to drive by British rule here. Left side of the road. Oh, that was a close call, boys. All right, we were done and we were in Al's Auto Shop where Parker got his license. Look how cute. Have you found any other owls yet? Where could they be?
I see them.
You see it? Which one is this? Oh my goodness, who is that one? That one's name is, that's Sheriff Owl.
Sheriff.
Sheriff. Look at this playground. Junkyard Junction, right up Parker's alley. Go Parker, go! Up 6 to 12 years old only. And there he goes. Whoa! Oh, hi guys! So first up is the Storm Chaser roller coaster. All right, so Chris and Jakey are on the coaster, and then they're gonna switch out with me and Sam. Here they go. There they are, front row. All right, time for the farmyard flyer. Parker, go stand, make sure you can ride it. All clear, ready to go. You're good. Here we go. This whole area is based off if you were in a country town that went through a tornado or a cyclone. There they are. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. There are cows, there are chickens. There's a cow that's stuck in the sill. Here they go. Hi guys. Here we go. Hi. Woohoo! Here they come again. Here we go! Woohoo! Yeah! What do you think? High five! Good job. Windmill Tower. There they go! Hi! Oh, they're spinning! Woohoo! Where is he? Wow! There they are! Wow! Whoa! There he is. Did you like it? Yeah! All right, Buffalo Falls slides. So cool. Brilliant. All right, Chris and Parker versus Jakey. Who's gonna win? Here they go. Good job, Jake. Hey, Parker, this way. I got wet.
Was that fun?
Yeah.
We're gonna go on the tractors.
Trekking tractors. There comes our tractor, Parker. Good job. Starting the engine. All right, Mr. Tractor Driver, take us around, please.
Oh, look at the cacti.
Oh, look at the scenery.
I think we need to go to the right, sir.
Oh, turn the wheel, you're gonna crash. No, don't crash us. Oh, thank you, you turned it. You see a blue one? Honk your horn at it. Oh, what do you see?
They're stealing the carrot.
Look at these guys. What are they doing?
He's like, haha, I have a carrot.
We're on Farmer Flo's farm. Whoa.
Well,
Look at this guy.
She's crazy.
You're in the front.
You are in the front because you're the driver. Oh, we're going through the barn. What a cute little ride. Meep, meep.
Look at the chicken.
Oh, there's a chicken in the barn.
The chicken up there? You missed him.
Pumpkins. How many pumpkins? 2. Good job. Hello. How are you? Hello. Next is Peppa Pig World. Peppa Pig. There's our Peppa and George statue. What do you see? Mr. Potato. Go on, follow the rainbow floor. What?
I'm gonna get you, Paulton.
Hello.
Come this way, quick! Quick, quick!
Here they are. All right, let's race. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, Parker won. Jakey got beat.
I see you.
Obsessed with this bench. Look, it's a bird. Ah, that's hilarious. We are waiting to meet Peppa Pig. All right, go on. Go give cuddles.
Yeah, oh, that was a very big cuddle. And would you like to stand in the middle and hold their hand? Yeah, you hold. Oh.
Look at the ducks. Please don't feed the ducks. But you can throw coins in there. Going George's Dino Adventure next to Miss Rabbit's Ice Cream Parlor. Woohoo! Look at the cute height chart. Woohoo! Rawr! Where's the other little dinosaur? There he is! Round around the garden. So they went through Peppa's garden and now they're gonna go through the volcanoes. There they are. Through the trees. All right, we're going in the castle with the Queen. The Queen's kitchen.
And that's the restaurant.
Oh, that's the restaurant. It's not open. The Queen's flying coach ride is what we're going on. Look, there's the Queen. Cute. And the other one. Through, we're gonna go in here. Wow. Here we go, over Peppa Pig World. Going over the whole world.
Your Majesty, would you like a little tour? Please. There, off we go.
Off we go.
Ooh, we are very...
There's the giraffe. Best character ever. Oh, you're cleaning my face. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Oh, are you cleaning Jakey's face now? All done. Now to go to the boats. All right, now Grampy Rabbit Sailing Club. Let's do this. What is going on? Parker, look, he fell asleep on his boat. Oh, what do you see?
There's a blue Parker found it over there.
Oh, you found a blue flower. All right. Now everybody has to try to find the Queen. Can you find the Queen? Ooh, cookies. That's the Queen. Mommy Pig looks like a queen.
Queen's over here.
Oh, I think that one's the queen.
She goes, oh, who's that lady?
Parker, who's this? Parker.
Oh, there's the Queen. Hi, Queenie. Oh, look, they're pirates, Parker.
Piggy.
Whoa, this spins way more than I thought it was going to. There's Auntie Sam, I found her. It's a wild human. The Peppa Pig toy shop is so much bigger than the one in Florida. Holy Peppa. We are definitely grabbing Georgia's dino. There's a huge one too. Oh. We got him! Just like every good park, we have a grand carousel in the center. This lion tamer. It's a two-story one too. But we're going to another coaster. Found the stagecoach, but more importantly, we found some owls. The carousel has an owl. It's the carousel. Oh, he found a different one. The grande owl. Look at him. He has a mustache. Whoa, you see a blue? Let's see. What are we looking for? We're going to Critter Creek, but before we do, what did you find? This is the alligator. Alligator. All right, look at this, Critter Creek. And we're going to the caterpillar coaster. What is this thing? They're dandelions. You're tickling them. How silly! You roll it and it makes the feathers tickle the lions. All right, Parker, let's go to the caterpillar. All right, we are going to the caterpillar, which was Christopher's very first roller coaster he ever did. And now Parker's gonna go on it. Caterpillar coaster. Correction, it is not a caterpillar, it is a cat-o-pillar because it's like the Cheshire Cat. Cute. Look at all these weird creatures too. This is by far the strangest coaster I've seen. Super pumped. All right, here he comes, Cheshire Cat, dressed as a caterpillar. So they're going all the way up and around the bend. I get to go again.
Was that fun?
I loved it. This is the Beastie Burrow. What is it?
Oh, it's like
What is it? The Beastie Burrow. What is it? There's fish in here.
There's fish in here. Yes. Gosh,
What?
look at him.
What is it?
they are locusts.
It's huge.
You see them?
Just look at another.
Yeah? Oh.
Oh no, look at these creatures in here. This plant has multiple eyes. Look at these, they're like all crazy creatures. Armadillo rabbit. Flying tiger. Or tiger fly. This thing. Oh, they all have names. Wart frog. I like that one. Oh, fliger. I was wrong. Duck-billed newt. Horned swamp donkey. And that's just a beaver.
There's 10 hours.
Where to next, Parker? We see another owl. Whoa, this is the garden owl. This one is a garden owl. It's beautiful.
It's pretty.
How zen. You're like a karate guy. Oh, look how nice. We're owl spotting.
Parker, can you see an owl?
What is this one? Lymphoma owl.
I can't find the place.
Lot more family.